This was the Miracle Grow Nature's Care Organic Raised Bed Potting Soil. You can see there's mold in here. There's gnats. There's pieces of garbage. Look at this plastic. I found some glass in here. This is a disgusting potting soil. It stinks, and not the way soil should smell. Alright? This was from Home Depot. I don't know if it's Miracle Grow and Home Depot or both, but this is the soil right here. And you know, you can't find anything on the internet telling you that, you know, they're putting in more than this stuff in here. It doesn't say they're putting glass or mold or garbage like plastic and stuff. It doesn't tell you none of that. And they wouldn't, because they want to sell this. This looks like some recycled soil. There's gnats flying around it. I mean, this is garbage. It doesn't drain well. And there's only 2 bags in here. This is by far the worst soil that I've bought in my years of gardening. And this is the gardening season of 2021 in the spring. Brought to you by your local Home Depot store and Nature's Care Organic Raised Bed Soil. Don't buy.